Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I think I'm gonna use my voice in this video. So today I've been playing BeamNG.drive. So I'm gonna try drifting as best as I can. And please rate my drifting in comments. Right now I'm using my steering wheel actually, so it's very good at driving. Oh shit, rate me 0, seriously. Okay, new try. Okay, look here, I'm pro. Second gear. Drift. Ooh. Ooh. I'm driving manual right now with the clutch, and I'm 12 years old, so I'm pretty good at it. Wow, what? Like I love cars. I really like cars. So I am very good. Actually, one time I tried driving my dad's car. Like he sat in the passenger seat, and I was driving. But that was automatic. And yeah, it was an electric car. A white Volvo. So yeah, I actually drive a car. Well, I had drive a car, and I really like go-kart too. That I like go-kart very much. I'm very good at it. Yeah. Oh shit. Crash. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to make a stunt here. I just need to move this ramp to a place I think it's good. So I don't think it's good on this map, so I should change map real quick. Utah is very good. Yeah, auto repair zone. Okay, so now I'm here. Now I just need to drive to the right place. I'm driving this. This is the default car. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive to the place. I need to turn here. Yeah, it's a pretty big jump. You probably just need 80-90 kilometers per hour to get up that hill. I mean jump. Okay, and now here, I stop here. You see the jump here. Here I am gonna jump. So this Cherrier FCV have a pretty good rally car here. So I'm gonna start with that. and yes, it's manual. First gear. It sounded like a rally car. It like this, speed is good, jump. Okay, perfect. Not perfect. Okay, but yeah, I'm trying a new car. Okay, so this car, SP Dune Kicker, it's a very good car. It's an off-road car that can do many jumps. Okay, so I'm trying this now. Oh, it's hard to handle. Oh, it's a perfect. Very good. Yeah. I should make like jump here and land here. I should make that, so I'm just gonna make that real quick. Okay, so now I have a jump pretty far away. So now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna make a good stunt. Okay. Oh, bad. I restart that. Okay, I'm changing the camera here. So bad. Yeah. I'm just gonna speed up until I can make it. Okay, finally I did it. Now here comes the jump. Never mind, I'm gonna speed up this until I make it. Okay, come on. I think I can make it now. Nope. Okay, no, I'm not doing it anymore. So I'm just gonna reverse it. Okay, now I can make it open. Here, turn. Oh, it's a bit hard, but I think I can make it. Okay, careful. Okay, no, it's pretty hard, but I can make it here. About this speed. Oh, too high speed. Too high. But I can probably make something. No. But I'm gonna do a pulling chase. So wait a bit. Okay, so now I have this Japanese sport car. So I just gonna spawn some police traffic, and I'm gonna make a police chase. I'm gonna try to stay alive as long as possible. Okay, so I'm starting now. Okay, gas. Okay, now the police are pursuing me. Oh yeah, right there. Third gear. Never mind. Ooh, high speed. 200. Ooh, okay. I can't handle this. What if like that? Makes a cool trick. Ooh. Shit on police. What? Okay, not good. Okay, that wasn't long time, but yeah. I think that was the video. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you want.